Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Top 5 things to watch in markets in the week ahead. Investing.com market starts September on a strong note with the S&P 500 closing up 3.4% in the first full week of the month of the Nasdaq Composites jumping 4.1%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed only 2.4%. Whether that was just a market positioning adjustment or the sign of anything more sustained will be on watch this week, especially as a new set of inflation reports comes out. Corporate news in on the lighter side, though some big earnings report and a rare major IPO are on the dock for the week ahead. This weekend served as a reminder of the ongoing and changing nature of the Russia-Ukraine war. And while these recent developments may not have a direct market impact, the repercussion could certainly reverberate through the financial world. Here's what you need to know for the week ahead in financial market. The first one, CPI and WPI reports. A BV of Consumer Price Index CPI reports for August comes out this week. India released its CPI report on Monday. Germany, Spain, and the United States all released on Thursday. The United Kingdom released its report on Wednesday. France released its report on Thursday, and Italy and Eurozone as a whole released there on Friday. Producer Price Index or WPI reports are also due out from Japan, Switzerland, Thursday, the United Kingdom Wednesday, and the United States. The expectation are for inflation to be easing in the United States with month-over-month core CPI expected at 0.3% matching last month number. This would mark the lowest back-to-back reading since last fall. Headline: CPI is expected to be negative 0.1% as dropping gas prices continue to take pressure off inflation. Core WPI is expected to be 0.3%, a rise from last month 0.2%, while the headline WPI number is also expected to be negative 0.1%. Those expectations are quite different in Europe. The United Kingdom is forecast to see core CPI month-over-month growth of 0.8%, a significant jump, while headline CPI is expected to jump another 0.6%. The Eurozone is forecast to see 0.5% rise in the core CPI number, a jump from last month revised figure of 0.1%. The same is expected of headline CPI as energy prices still loom large with the seasons changing. The ECB has already made its last move, hiking interest rates by 75 basis points last week. That the Fed is expected to stick to at least a 50 basis point hike, if not 75, and the inflation reports are not expected to shake it. But no doubt Chair Jerome Powell would welcome sign that inflation is the least moderating meaningfully. The Bank of England, whose meeting was due this week but postponed in the wake of Queen Elizabeth II's death, face a more fluctuating environment with new Prime Minister Liz Truss in charge and already having issued a major energy plan. Its effect on the market is among the things the BOE will have to wait. It will also get unemployment reports as an additional price of data to throw into the mix. The second one, pair of key earnings report. While to earnings season has just about play itself out. There are two key software companies reporting results that are worth watching. Software Gen Oracle NYSE or ORCL reports Monday after the close and is expected to show 4% earnings growth in its first quarter, including news a question corner Nasdaq CERN Oracle receives a recent price target upgrade from a global equities analyst in light of the corner deal, as well as a rating from Guggenheim, but like many in the software and tech industry, has been adjusting to a more difficult macro environment as the company has been reported to have started layoffs. So the earnings report and conference call may be revealing. I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.